What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is Dr. Hammerstang, and today we got another collection to be added into the Shell Motorsport collection here in 2022, and we have the Nissan set over here. Last week we did review the BMW M4, which was really fun, and of course in a lot of places the remote control battery has gone out of stock, so you better get your hands on it. Don't let those scalpers run you off with those overpriced items. This week here we have the Nissan Formula E. This is the closest you can get to the limited edition sports car, the F1 car. I'm not too sure about the name. It's really expensive because I found out that you actually need to buy the engine oil, which costs about 300 ringgit to get that car, which is going to be free, but in most places that I know it's already out of stock. So over here with the BMW, I know in a lot of places again it's already out of stock. So with the Formula E, I better advise you guys to faster get your hands on it before it goes out of stock, because it seems like it's picking up some speed when it comes to buying this. I think when it reaches to week 4, week 5, this thing will be quite popular, so better get your stuff ready every time when you pump your petrol. So in today's video, what we're going to do is of course unbox this and of course play around with this, and let's see if this one here is the best so far. Okay, so now let's go on to the unboxing here, and again, very nice packaging, very simple, minimalistic. Again, very similar to your previous ones that you've been getting. Let's just take this bad boy up, put it on the back. Let's be nice and tidy. Okay, and we are going to take this out, but before we do that, we need to cut this. It's always really fun to do this kind of videos because I have to do a running commentary to beat the awkward silence. Alright, so we're gonna put this car here. Alright, so here we have it. This is the Nissan Formula E Gen 2 car, and I gotta say it looks really awesome over here. Very nice slick design, super racing car, so you know it looks really awesome here. And as a kid myself, I gotta say I really like this. You know, definitely if I was, you know, like 10, 12 years old, I'll definitely get my parents to pump the petrol, get me like 2 or 3 on this, because it just looks really awesome. It's definitely a childhood kind of thing that I really wanted, and definitely now here we have it on the table. They do have the nice wings on the sides here. They have the wheel. I'm not exactly too sure is it for the driver to protect them. Very nice logo design as well. It doesn't feel very cheap, you know. Normally they have the plastic, which, you know, kind of makes it a bit cheap. This one here looks pretty alright. It looks quite natural, I would say. Nice matte finish to it as well. Very Batman-like design. And I do like the exhaust pipe on the back. The wheels as well look really awesome. And just overall, it looks like a good model representation of the actual car, I would say. I'll put the actual photo right on top over here for you guys to check them out. So overall, a very nice and slick design. Okay, and of course, going on to the bottom part of it, this is where, again, it's very similar to the previous model. So you have your steering toggle over here in case if your tires are a little bit slanted or inclined to one way, you can adjust it over here. And this is where you're going to put your Bluetooth remote battery pack. Luckily, I bought one, so I'm going to put it right here. So all you need to do is just take this off and very simply just put the battery pack inside here. Don't be like me and I put it the wrong way. So you just put it over here and you'll be able to turn this on, and you will have a very small green light. If you guys can see this, it's going to be on the back, on the top small end corner here. Alright, so I managed to pair this up with my iPhone 12 mini, and for you guys who have already the first car, and if you guys are getting your second, third, fourth or fifth car, what you want to do is unlock the stuff for the new car. So what you can do is take the box right here, and what you need to do is go to the garage on the app. So this app exactly looks the same as with the Android or iOS devices. So click on here and then scan the code. I already scanned mine, and basically, you know, once you scan this, you get some of the benefits of the new car, which we are going to see. So just go to remote control, connect this to your device, put the car here. It should be able to connect pretty fast. And over here we have, for those who hasn't seen my first video, this is how you're going to control your remote control. So you can go left or right, This is go forward or backwards. And this is your battery indicator, very, very helpful. This is your tricks you have. And if we go on to the settings, you have a few more settings for your controls and also your sound. So for this, we have unlocked the Nissan Formula E Gen 2 audio. And again, back to here, you can choose what kind of motion you want to go. I'll try this one instead. So this is how it would actually go. So pretty cool. Okay, it's a bit of a learning curve for me to use the motion control. But it's actually very, very interesting. Hopefully they do like a racing car event for this. Alright, and then now what we are going to do is to turn on the sound. So this is exactly how it sounds, and I would say it's very interesting because the M4 had its own engine sound. This one has a more sound associated with the Nissan Formula E. So if you horn, alright, and then let's see if there's any lights with this. It doesn't seem to have any lights inside, which is a bit of a bummer. So there's no lights unlike this because this one will come out on the front. So let's go. You see the sound. Alright. So if I turn this on and it go full speed, very, very cool sound. Backwards doesn't do anything, but if you go forward again, yeah, sounds really, really good. And of course, we're gonna bring this outdoors to test out this car to see if there's any new tricks to it. Right, so we test out the car. Ooh. Let's try some tricks. Another trick. Alright, so that is it with the Nissan Formula E Gen 2 car unboxing and review. And I gotta say, I'm actually really in love with this series, and I'm really looking forward to the new cars that are coming out in the future weeks. And hopefully we can do sort of a speed test run on each of these cars. If I cannot get any more extra batteries, we are going to time out all these cars here to see which one would be the fastest car, which one would be the most comfortable to use, and overall the best looking car. So alright, so if you guys enjoyed this video, do click the like and smash the subscribe button down below for more videos like this in the future. Also do follow me on my socials as well on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and also here on YouTube at Dr. Hummus Tech. So that is it. This is Dr. Hummus Tech. Stay safe, take care, and wash those hands.